Yeah! We're sorry, buddy! We didn't mean to laugh at you! Where are you?
According to my calculations, he could be... anywhere. Watching a rabid raccoon devour a rotten cantaloupe in the alley, witnessing a flock of pigeons poop on cars from the window, gazing at the majesty of dead rats floating through the sewer.
I'm not dumb. I'm not. There's nothing but smarty pants thoughts rumbling around in this old noggin, boy. Nothing but... Ooh, hey, a mint. It's mine! Oh, come back! Minty, 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 minty. Oh, got some in my mouth. Oh no, my mint. Don't worry, Minty. I'll save you. Looks like I need something long and pointy to get you out. Only a smart guy would think of that. But what? Of course, my tongue. Who's the stupid one now? I feel unexpectedly invigorated. What an odd sensation! My brain synapses are firing at an unprecedented rate. I've become super intelligent! My goodness! Even a person of half my IQ could see this establishment is in clear violation of over 538 health codes. 539! There's one thing to do. It's my duty as a responsible citizen to ensure that this store is shut down and condemned. Immediately!
Team, we hit that slushy handle right there, and we'll have a very, very tsunami on our hands. Yeah, hit me with that wave of flavor. Doc Brocc, you ready to fire the next round?
Twanky, locked and loaded, sir.
Let's do this.
Yeah! Feel my wrath.
That's your wrath?
Well, let's see you try it.
Ha! Pizza cake! Ha ha ha! Get it? Pizza cake? Kill me!
Just fire the juice box.
Juice box! Juice box! Juice box! Juice box! Juice box! Wow! Ah! I want that slushy storm! Yeah! Smackdown!
Guys?
Not one thing hit the slushy machine. Sure it did. I don't remember slingshotting Egghead.
I was the one yelling, no! Stop! Don't!
Oh yeah, I remember. Well, team, there's only one thing to do when life gives you a mountain of crud. Go mountain climbing! Yeah! Day 437. We're scaling the perilous breakfast burrito bluff, high on Mount Yuck. One false move and it's over. But there's no turning back. Everyone knows what happens when mountaineers get stranded.
Hey, stop eating me!
No!
Doctor's law. Things are terrifying. We can't tell our leader he's unconsciously afraid of heights, or he'll freak out and doom us.
Why is everyone so quiet? Man, check that awesome view! I've never been up so high.
Pizza Face, stop doing that! You'll cause a landslide!
Stop doing what? And how could I possibly cause a landslide?
Because you're afraid of... Ow!
Phew! See? As if I could cause a landslide.
We did it! We made it to the top. Or the top made it to us. Whatever.
Victory, made only sweeter by the perils we overcame. Sparkles almost lost her fizz. We nearly drowned in nacho cheese. But we made it, thanks to the steely courage and smoldering good looks of our great leader, me. I hereby claim Mount Yuck in the name of all that is gross.
Boy, it's a good thing we didn't tell you you're unconsciously afraid of heights. 'Cause then you would have freaked out and caused a disaster, probably killing us all.
Sorry?
I said it's a good thing we didn't tell you you're unconsciously afraid of heights. 'Cause then you would have... Forget it.
Afraid of... Team, we're gonna be the first explorers in history to climb all the way to the top of Mount Yuck. Are you ready?
Yeah!
And why are we climbing Mount Yuck?
Cool new kinds of frostbite?
Coloring our cheeks, hopefully green.
To find Rocky?
No! Because it's there!
I mean there.
Let's do this! Yeah! Journal, day 1. The hike is brutal. The team is showing fatigue. The glorious speech at base camp is but a distant memory now. These have been the most grueling 5 minutes of my life.
If we're ever gonna make it to the top, we'll need some encouragement.
Yeah! Oh, got some right here. Wow, that worked. Oh, what about me? Journal, day 5. Every day has been a new challenge. We chopped our way across crusty coleslaw chasm. We ran across corn chip bridge. Finally, we reached the great dirty tissue divide.
Help me.
Stay in the middle of the flypaper.
It's too sticky. I can't make it.
Step on their heads. It's the only way. Ow, right in the compound eye.
Sorry.
Whoa!
Sparkles! No!
I'm just right here. Can you help?
Oh, hey, sure.
Yeah!
We made it! There's only one proper way to celebrate this, in the manner of the greatest Swiss mountaineers. With a victory yodel!
Excuse me.
No, Pizza. That wasn't your lunch. The yodeling caused that.
Nacho cheese avalanche! Ah!
Mutini's over, Pizza Breath. Now walk the plank.
Your betrayal cuts me to my feel. But perhaps we are too harsh, eh? My new companion?
Yeah, why don't we talk about this over a slice? My treat.
Let me think. Nah, sorry, matey. It's the law of the Yucky Mart Sea.
I will have revenge! Huh? You! Get away, fingers! This pizza ain't for nibbling!
That is what you get for messing with the masterful Capitan Ricardo, right? First mate meathead?
Actually, I only saved the ship so I could take over. As of now, this ship belongs to Meathead the Pirate. And you're me squishy crew, Ricardo. Yarr! Now hoist the pirate flag.
Aye aye, oh brutish one.
Swab that poopy deck. Hoist the snot sail.
That Achoo!
Give me some refreshing juice, and it better not be kiwi. Raspberry onion, my fave. Now scrape those barnacles off the hull.
I do not think that is a barnacle. It's Doc Brocc.
Same diff, scrape him off too.
Oh, come on! Fine, there's plenty of other ships in the sea.
That takes care of that. Ah! Enemy ship! Full speed ahead, Ricardo! Prepare for battle! Yarr!
Aye, aye, my capitan.
Arr!
Oh no! Captain Sarge! Mate had the pirate is on the attack!
What? When? Where? That scurvy dog won't take my ship without a fight! Battle stations!
Load cannons, Ricardo! We're gonna send that riding fruit bowl to Davy Jones' locker.
Aye, aye, capitan. But may I ask, who is this Davy Jones? And why is his locker located at the bottom of the sea? His gym shorts must be most soggy, which could lead to chafing of the tender regions.
Stop yapping and start pirating! Ready, aim, fire! How's that for a fruit punch?
Nah, missed me again, and again. Now he's really got me charged up. Well, what are you waiting for, Doc? Return fire!
Eat seeds, you pirate poopheads! I can go all day!
Whoa! No one defeats Pirate Meathead! Refreshing!
Time to break out the good cutlery. As my beloved grandmother used to say, there's no stank like pirate foodie booty stank.
It's garbage getting! Give him everything we got! Charge!
Prepare to be boarded!
No one shipwrecked my ship but me!
That's right! Shiver your timbers at the fearsome meathead the pirate! Hello! Evil pirate talking!
Oop, we're sunk.